Welcome back to the Hilltop Project. In this installment, the Morses have built their BuildDeck shoring and are now ready to begin placing their BuildDeck forms. The Morses' workflow begins with their youngest builders pre-assembling the 2 square foot forms into 10-foot long sections to make placing them fast and easy. The forms are then lifted to the area they'll be placed.
Time to go.
Next, the team begins placing the BuildDeck, making sure the forms run perpendicular to the shoring. As with every project, there are unique elements of the build that require the forms to be cut and shaped in particular ways. In this project, the builders have cut their forms in order to place them around their turret, created using build radius blocks. They are also cutting BuildDeck to fill any areas that are smaller than 2 feet. Next, the team cuts and installs their rebar reinforcement. A rebar grid is placed over the forms on rebar chairs, as well as in the beam cavities themselves. Stirrups are placed from the edge 5 feet into the beam. Once the rebar has been placed, the team installs sleeves for penetrations such as electrical and plumbing. The PVC pipe is cut, placed, and secured in place with a spray foam adhesive. If you're interested in radiant heat flooring, look at other videos in this series. If you'd like to see more of the Hilltop Project, or more tips and specifics on ICF installation, subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate notifications with the bell icon.